But in this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install Git step by step. You don't need any experience to do this, whether you're using Windows, Mac, or Linux. Now here's a bonus tip. At the end, I'll show you how to set your username and email with just two commands. Now let's go through the steps on how to download Git for Windows. First, open your browser and go to this site. I'll drop the link in the description. So I'm going to click on this button here that says download for Windows. Be downloading the standalone installer. Go to your search button and just type system information. So I'm just going to type system information. It's over here. So I just open it. Over here it says system type. So I'm using an x64 based PC. So I'll go back to the download page and I'm going to select the setup for a Windows 64 x64 setup. As you can see over here, it says download in progress. So I'm going to allow that to download for a while. Now that my download is complete, I'm just going to double click on it. So these are just default settings, so we'll just leave them there, except we have any reason to change them. I'll click on next, and then the installation is ongoing. It just take a few minutes, and so we are done with our installation for Windows. So this is how you install Git on your Windows. Click on the finish button. Now go to your computer and search Git. Just search Git. Run it as an administrator. Click on yes, and there you have it. You've successfully installed Git on your system. To verify that the entire process was successful, just type in this command on your terminal. It says git, and this will tell you the version of Git that you have installed in your Windows. As at the time of recording this video, it says I'm using Git version 2.5. You can clear your screen by just typing this command clear, and that will clear the screen for you. And for Mac users, let's install Git on our Mac. Just go to your favorite browser, type in the link and press enter. Takes you to this site. So let's select Git for Mac. So you click on it. So we're just going to go to our terminal and type this pre-installed. Press enter. It's going to download it for you. Installing Git on Linux is easy. It's very simple. Just open your terminal and type the following commands. Now, if you're using any of the distribution of Linux, such as Ubuntu and Debian, this is the command you use. So let's search for Ubuntu. And here we have it. We'll run it as an administrator. Click on yes. I'm going to type in the following command: sudo apt-get install Git, and I'm going to press enter. It's prompting me to continue. I'll say yes, and it's going to download Git right away. And my download is complete, but for me to verify if I have Git in my system, I'll just type in this command to verify. And it's going to tell me the version of Git that I'm using. So as at the time of recording this video, my version is 2.43. Now that the installation is done, I'll just go ahead and clear my screen. Now, if I'm not using the Ubuntu or Debian distribution of Linux and I'm using Fedora, this is the command you use to download Git on your Fedora. It's sudo dnf install Git. When you're done with the installation, for you to verify if your installation was successful, all you need to do is just type this command, and it's going to show you something like this, the version of Git that was installed in your system. I'm going to leave all the commands we use in installing Git in our Mac OS and our Ubuntu down in the description box. So if you have any issues, you can just click on it. Here's a quick bonus tip as promised. Before using Git, it's a good idea to set up your username and email. This will be attached to every commit you make. So let's see how we can do that. I'm going to head over to my newly installed Git terminal, and I'm going to type in this command to show me the list of registered emails and usernames. It will show me the list of registered email address and username. So let's see how we can add our email address and username. So I'm going to clear my screen. The command to add your username, you just type in this command. I'll put my name there. So if your name is Daniel, you can use Daniel. If your name is Jack, you can use Jack. Whatever your name is, just type in it using this command. Next, I'm going to type in my email address using this command, my user.email, and then I'm going to put in my email address in this section. I'm going to press enter. Now to verify if our username and email address were successful, I'm just going to type in this command again. to show us the list of registered username and email address. And you can see right here that my name and my email address have been registered. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, like, and don't forget to drop your comment on the comment section. I'll be happy to see them.